Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Roborock Qrevo Slim. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. First thing we have to do is download the Roborock app. Once you sign in or create an account, you'll be at this screen where you can view and manage all of your devices. In this case though, we got to set this thing up. So let's select the plus icon in the top right hand corner. You can scan a QR code to set it up if you want, or you can just manually pick the device from their list of devices. We have to browse. Ours is going to be down towards the bottom. So Roborock Qrevo Slim, we want to select that one. Next, you're taken to this screen where you need to choose and select your Wi-Fi network. Please note that 5 gigahertz networks are not supported, so make sure you're connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network and then enter your password and select next. Now we're prompted to hold down 2 buttons on our vacuum. It's going to be the mop and the dock buttons here. And it'll give us a prompt letting us know it's reset the Wi-Fi.
Resetting Wi-Fi.
All right, we just got the prompt. Make sure you're actually properly pressing both buttons. So you get that voice prompt, check the box, select next. Now we need to connect to our device's Wi-Fi. It'll show up as a Roborock network with a bunch of characters afterwards. So let's go ahead and select that. There's our Roborock vacuum. We're going to select that one from our list and then go back into the app. We're back into the app. It's working on connecting to the Wi-Fi. We got a voice prompt there. We're in standby. 2 out of the 3 are checked.
Wi-Fi connected.
Got the Wi-Fi connected voice prompt. We'll wait for the app to catch up. Now we can select use now. And it's going to load our Slim for us. All right, we got to accept the legal info. Quick start screen here. It's going to guide us through setup. Prepare before cleaning. Get familiar with your home. You can toggle these on or off. You can also change this later if you want. We can turn on or off do not disturb. Map saving on or off. And there we go. Everything has now been all set up and ready to go. From this screen now, basically, you'll create a map and have it start cleaning your environment. So simple and straightforward setup. We got our notifications there, but here we go. Now you would just hit quick mapping and you're off to the races to get this set up exactly how you need it to be for your home environment. Simple, straightforward, didn't even take more than 2 minutes.